Hello friends, in chapter number 5, periodic table, the table of elements. Let's continue with exercise. Question number 7. The question number 7 says us that nitrogen atomic number 7. Let's write it. Nitrogen atomic number 7 and phosphorus atomic number 15. Belong to group 15. Of the periodic table. Write the electronic configuration of these two elements. And the question will be continue. Which of these will be more electronegative and give the reason? Why? See, the first question. Write the electronic configuration of these two elements. First write electronic configuration. Nitrogen phosphorus. Nitrogen atomic number 7, phosphorus atomic number 15. It will be 2, 7 in case of phosphorus. Nitrogen 2, 7, phosphorus 2, 5, 8. In C, in the question, two elements can be given. They are nitrogen and phosphorus. Nitrogen will be 7, phosphorus in case of second cell 8, 5. In K cell, L cell, M cell. We write the electronic configuration of nitrogen and phosphorus. Then the question is, which of these will be more electronegative and why? See, in the case of group, the electronegativity will be decreased when moving down. When moving down, electronegativity will be decreased. So, nitrogen is more electronegative than phosphorus. Let's continue with question number 8. Question number 8 says us that how does the electronic configuration of an element relate to its position in the modern periodic table? We already know the characteristic of modern periodic table is with the help of electronic configuration. We give the information about group and period of the element. With the help of electronic configuration in modern periodic table, we know the element present in which group or which period. Let's give one example of sodium. Symbol Na, atomic number 11, electronic configuration. In K cell 2 electron, in L cell 8 electron, in M cell 1 electron. So, with the help of electronic configuration, we see the sodium can be present in the group 1 because its outermost cell 1 electron will be present. In its outermost cell 1 electron will be present, so it will be contained in the group 1. See, it has 3 cells, 2, 8, 1. Because of 3 cells, it will be present in the period 3. The example says us that with the help of electronic configuration, we know the element present in which group and which period in modern periodic table. Let's see again. Let's see next question. Question number 9. In the modern periodic table, calcium atomic number 20 is surrounded by elements with atomic numbers 2, 19, 21 and 38. Which of these have physical and chemical properties resembling calcium? To find the physical and chemical properties resembling calcium, first we know the electronic configuration of all elements. So, we write here the information says us that calcium atomic number 20, the elements can be surrounded by it. They with atomic numbers of their 12, 19, 21 and 38. So, when we find the same physical and chemical properties, resembling to calcium. First we write the electronic configuration of 4 elements which have atomic number 12, 19, 28 and 38. So first we write the element. First we write calcium atomic number 20 and then we write the electronic configuration. K, L, M, N, O. We write calcium beyond this. We write it here calcium, here the element, here atomic number. You can write the full words. Calcium atomic number 20, the electronic configuration will be 2882. Then we write about 12. The 12 number is, we already know, it will be magnesium. It will be 12. The electronic configuration 282. Then we know already about 19 will be potassium. It will be 90. The electronic configuration of potassium is 2881. Then we write about scandium. The atomic number 21. About scandium, it will be 2883. Correct it with their atomic number 10 and 11. 10 plus 11, 21. Then we write about strontium. Which will be 38. 2, 8, 18, 8 and 2. You have to remember about 2 elements, scandium and strontium, which has the electronic number 21 and atomic number 21 and 38. In another elements we already know about the calcium, magnesium and potassium. Let's make in table. And then the question is, which elements has same physical and chemical properties like calcium? So when we find the physical and chemical properties same is like in calcium, we find already the last electron present in outermost cell. Same in magnesium, it will be in calcium, the outermost cell will be 2. In magnesium it will be 2 and in strontium it will be 2. So elements magnesium and magnesium atomic number 12 and strontium atomic number 38. have two electrons in their outermost shell, same like as calcium. So magnesium and strontium shows same physical and chemical properties Let's continue with textual exercise and go through the last question, question number 10, which says us that compare and contrast the arrangement of elements in Mendeleev's periodic table and modern periodic table. As we study both the periodic table, Mendeleev's periodic table and modern periodic table, according to Mendeleev's periodic table has 7 periods and 8 groups. In modern periodic table it will be 7 periods and it expanded groups it will be 18 groups. In transition of elements are not separated in Mendeleev's periodic table, while transition of elements are separated in modern periodic table. Elements can be arranged by their increasing order of their atomic masses, while in modern periodic table elements can be arranged increases with their atomic numbers. In Mendeleev's periodic table, period and group number are not predicted, while in modern periodic table, period number and group number can be determined easily with we can see already in question number 8. Here why the number of period and number of group cannot be predicted? Because the elements can be arranged in increasing order by their atomic masses, while here it will be arranged in their atomic numbers. So with the atomic number we can write electronic configuration. See with the example of sodium, which will be seen in the question number 8. When we know the atomic number, it will be 1 1. So we write the electronic configuration of sodium 281, K cell, L cell, M cell. So in last cell, it the number 1 electron will be present. So it contain group 1. You can write in later 1. According to number of 3 cells, 1, 2, 3. So it will be connect in period 3. So with the help of atomic numbers, we can write the electronic configuration and we find the element can be present in which number of period and which number of group. While the limitation can be arise in Mendeleev's periodic table, according to their masses we cannot determine the number of group and number of period in case of fifth. In Mendeleev periodic table has discrepancies and limitations, while in comparison of Mendeleev's periodic table, modern periodic table is almost errorless. In Mendeleev's periodic table, periodicity in properties of elements cannot be explained, while in modern periodic table, periodicity in properties of element can be explained. Again, the atomic numbers can be base for this. According to arrangement of elements by their increasing order, we can find easily the element can be present in which group, in which period, and the periodicity in properties of element we can explain easily. So the modern periodic table will be errorless, it will be useful for the study of chemistry. In higher standard 12, you can also study in detail about the modern periodic table. Here we complete the textual exercise of chapter number 5, question 10, 1 to 10, and next session we go with the new chapter.